So picking up where the last one left off, we have our picture here. We could erase it if you want, same way as usual. Let's click here, and it'll bring up all your other pictures. You just click and apply. Sure, awesome. Um, and I believe that went down there or something. I don't know. So anyway, we can just change this to a project name, Catapult Lab. This description can be your reflection piece. So we can say the Catapult Lab went great. We won. Exclamation point. Okay, cool. And then the final little piece I'd like you to try is to attach your PLA. So when you attach that, just click here on the link, and you're going to click on Document. Hit Select File, and then it'll give you an option of stuff, just like before. Just click Upload Docs, and you can scan through any of your documents you currently have and upload it in. So let's just say we want to upload my critical analysis 1. Sure. Right, open. That'll upload it to my Wix page. Sure. Make sure it's checked. Hit apply. And we'll hit done. That's now over here, which is awesome. Hit done again. And now this should kind of change around a little bit. Okay, so with those skills, you should be able to go through and start building out your Wix page. Now, if we hit preview, it'll show us what this actual Wix page will look like, and we'll be able to click up here to navigate to the different pages and the stuff that we kind of talked about. Career goals, career skills, all this other business. And if we click on our Catapult Lab 2, you can actually click there and it will open up your document that you just attached to it. So this should be a pretty good start to your portfolio. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to ask me. All right. Good luck.